Welcome back. This is summer, you guys, and you know what? One of the things that I know we all want to do is make our pools look great. No one's ever heard this either. Our lines are open here. We're going to do another giveaway, too. I have with me Lori Brummagem, and she is the owner of Biodex. Welcome to the show. I know you have a lot of products, so we're really not going to talk about all of them, but tell them about what it is that you do, a little bit about some of them, and what we're going to talk about today.
Thank you, Carol. Biodex Laboratories is an Arizona company, and we've been in Arizona manufacturing pool chemicals since 1979.
Wow.
And our products were formulated for the service industry. So service companies love Biodex because we offer a really concentrated product line that really works. So our tagline is the products that really work. So with our we guarantee our products, and homeowners are finding out more and more about Biodex because they're looking for products that are effective and concentrated, and they work. So we have those products.
Now, today we're going to open up the lines to the audience for some, a homeowner to be able to get one of the products. Okay.
Sure.
Yes, it is that a lot of the service people use but you can buy these products at the stores, local stores,
local pool dealers, and Arizona is so fortunate to have such pool dealers that have been here for such a long time. They're so familiar with the water in Arizona, the hardness, the heat, the climate, all affects water quality. And so Arizona pool owners need our products because they are so concentrated and they were formulated in this climate in order to be effective for pool owners here. So the pool dealers in Arizona are very familiar with our products. They're very familiar with pool water testing, going into your local pool dealer and having your water tested and asking for the Biodex products will help you throughout this summer.
Okay, so let's talk about one today.
Okay, so I would when it comes to summer, there's a couple of issues that are pretty important, and that's algae control. One is algae control, and we have two great algicides, EPA registered algicides, and one is Skillet algicide. It's a broad spectrum, takes care of the yellow mustard, the blue-green, the black algae. It's effective in completely killing the algae when used with the right amount of chlorine, which your pool dealer will help you to determine what your need is. And it goes in and eliminates pool algae through the cracks of plaster to completely eliminate it. And just a small dosage is required. A full quart can last for a few applications on some of the most resistant algae blooms.
Well, what we're going to do is we're going to open up the lines for everyone to get entered in to win. I don't know how many we're going to give away, but we'll just give everybody the chance to get them, and that way you can choose. And so it's a $30 value, free to you. It's called Skillet Algicide, right? And it's a 1 quart bottle. It's a $30 value. Our number here, and we know we all have these pools. And you know what? The one thing is when your pool man doesn't come, when he misses you, that's when they get algicide and it gets all green and yucky. Is that right?
That's correct.
It's awful. So, and we all want our pools to look pretty all year round. And our number here is 602-277-5369. Toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. Call in here. Check them out. It is bio-dex.com. You can see all of their products there. You're going to have to come on. They've got at least 10 products. But, right now we're going to talk about just a couple of them, okay?
Yes.
So with this, obviously it's safe.
Yes, it's safe and effective. It is very concentrated. So 10,000 gallon pool, you'd only need 5.2 ounces to treat an algae bloom. And so 32 ounces will go the distance for that.
And there's a lot of do-it-yourselfers. A lot of people out there, they do with their own pools. And so this way you can go into the stores. You can go to any store and get it, right? There are most of the stores.
Just the pool dealers. You'll need to go to some of the specialty dealers dealers to find it. We're not available through Home Depot or Lowe's or Walmart.
Okay.
It is a specialty chemical product sold through the dealers.
Okay, and you can get it by calling here. Our number here, 602-277-5369. Toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. You're going to have a beautiful pool for the whole summer. And again, you can check them out. It's bio-dex.com. You can see all of the different products that they offer as well, or go to your specialty stores and you can also learn about them there as well. Okay, what else should we talk about?
Well, the other problem Arizona homeowners deal with is hard water. And so scale around the water line. Water features most pools in Arizona have water features. They'll have fountains. We have a lot of decorative different water features. So Protect All Supreme is a product that eliminates the scale buildup on the walls of the pool, along the water line. It will keep all those features looking brand new. So if you've built a new pool, it's a product to keep in the water to keep all those features looking.
So those water lines, even if let's say somebody's had them on for a long time,
yes,
will it take them off?
If you raise the water line and put in the application, it's for a 20,000 gallon pool, you need a quart initially, and you would let that circulate for 48 hours, and then when the water comes down, most of the time it will be gone, especially if it's fresh. If it's been there for 20 years, it will soften and loosen it so that when you do come back with a good tile cleaner, our 300 tile cleaner is very effective. It will have softened it so that tile cleaner can penetrate those layers much easier and make the job go a lot quicker.
Now, you have a lot of different products. You can mention a couple of them. You can check them out on their website. It's bio-dex.com. And right today, we're going to let everyone get entered in to win their skillet, which is an algicide, and it's just for the algae control, which we all know we hate that. And it's a $30 value free to you. It's a 1 quart size. Our number here, 602-277-5369. Toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. What else you got there?
Well, the other thing is we've had a lot of wind in Arizona lately, and
Go ahead.
Every day. Clearex 500 is just a great product for sparkling the water. It's absolutely non-toxic, environmentally friendly, won't clog your filter. 2 ounces per 14,000 gallons. Just 2 ounces.
That's amazing.
In the skimmer while the filter's running. Just takes the smallest particles, helps to filter them out without clogging the filter. And it can be used every day without any adverse effects. It won't hurt your chlorine levels. You can swim, but it just creates the brilliant clarity and sparkle that we all want, and that's hard to achieve when the wind is blowing. So we recommend keeping a couple of ounces of Clearex going every day during those windstorms, and it'll avoid all the issues that can make your pool cloudy and not as pretty and sparkling as you want it to be.
Okay, and again, it's bio-dex.com. We've got our lines open here, and everyone's getting entered into win the skillet. It's the algae side. A lot of people probably call in for that. That's the why you chose this one to do today. It's a $30 value free to you, 1 quart size. Our number here, 602-277-5369. Toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. They say their products, they're the products that really work. They've been doing this since 1979. You can go to your better, smaller dealers, and they will carry this. And you can also call in here at 602-277-5369, and toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. What else?
Okay, and we have phosphate remover, very concentrated. We have 2 formulas. One treats a lot of water. We have an enzyme that will digest oil. So suntan lotion can be a problem, especially in commercial pools. Homeowners can have problems with a lot of suntan lotion, and it clogs the filter. Well, Oil Out will digest the oil and turn it back to water. So it keeps the filters clean. It it eliminates the need to constantly be cleaning your filters, and just continues to sparkle the water during the summer.
You know, it seems to me that if somebody, let's say if the homeowner themselves and they're listening to this, they might have several of your products on hand to really make that pool. And these products are products that really work. That's what they say. They've been here in Arizona since 1979. Check them out on their website. It's bio-dex.com. You can see all of the different products that they have. Today we're entering everyone in to win the Skillet. It's an algaecide that controls the algae, and it's a $30 value free to you. Keep on calling throughout the rest of the show here, guys. Our lines are calling in, so give us a call at 602-277-5369. Toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. What would your final words be for everybody today?
You will save money with the Biodex product line because of the concentrations. It'll allow the Arizona homeowner, especially because of our needs and the climate here, we do go through more chemicals. So it will save you money, and it will save you time, and they are guaranteed to work.
They're guaranteed to work. They're products that really work. They've been doing it since 1979. Our number here, keep on calling throughout the rest of the show for these. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, they're perfect. You can go to some of these stores and that they have it, and you have them listed on your website, and you can call in here, get entered in to win. These are phenomenal. Our number here is 602-277-5369. Toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100.